Okay, you guys, so I decided to do a little face today. He's looking at me and laughing. To do a little face today so I could feel like a little pretty, you know, because I'm always looking crazy. And we are gonna go to the supermarket. I'm not going for the monthly grocery shopping thinking. I'm going just to restock what we are missing. By the way, I think I haven't said hi. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel.
$8.19, $5.99, $1.99, $6.79.
Yeah, back home, you guys. I got with some heavy cream, this grass-fed ground beef, bread. We love this one. I have a piece of salmon. I've been craving salmon for the past 3 weeks. I got this Simple Meals brownie baking mix. We have some avocado, some yogurt. Then I have some seasonings. I have some black pepper, garlic, ground cinnamon. Oh, I have a peach for you so you can try. And I have some bay leaf. Also, this Nature's Promise chicken sausage. I've been hearing a lot of people talking about chicken sausage lately, and that is good, so I wanted to give this one a try. So let's see how I like it. And then we have some lentils, some coconut water. My boyfriend likes this one. I like Harmless Harvest, I think that's the name, but they didn't have. And I have some tomatoes, some of these little yogurts for my baby or on the go. He really loves those. So we have 2 packages, plenty to buy. I was waiting for this. And this is my potential Halloween custom, you guys. I'm going to a Halloween party with my cousin and my sister, so I'm excited for that. But back to the groceries. I bought some chicken breast and some flowers to give my house like a little fall type of vibe, because I don't have any decor and I'm not planning on decorating either. And I also have a broccoli crown. So I'm gonna put these things away now. You guys, so now I love how this area is looking because it's giving some, you know, fall vibes since we don't have any decor in the house yet. Now I'm gonna fill in my little seasoning bottles because I have nothing there left. I used to clean mostly my bathroom, the floor, and my stove. It's from Branch Basic. It's their concentrate bottle. This whole bottle right here can last me 5 to 6 months. Highly recommend if you wanna start using clean products to clean your house. This is a good brand. I'm gonna prepare it right now. So I put water up to here, and then now I'm gonna put some of the concentrate. I cannot even see. Hold on. See? And I'm gonna top it off with a little bit of water. So this is a bottle, and I put this one away, as you guys can see. And you see this? So it's perfect. And for these containers, I'm gonna be linking it down below. But tonight I'm making some taquitos, and I made some chicken breast, and I shredded it, and now I seasoned it. So I'm just gonna let it cook a little bit so I can take like the flavor. Guys, how beautiful this avocado is compared to this one. I'm gonna be making some guacamole because I know they make it with a sauce, but we prefer to have guacamole, so that's what we're gonna pair it with. Okay, you guys, so dinner was good. Now I'm gonna that I don't like. Yeah, and I think after I'm gonna make brownies. I'm not sure. We'll see how my energy is because I feel kind of tired. Like my feet are killing me because I've been standing for so long. So yeah, let's do this dishes. You guys, my boo got me flowers. We're gonna put right in this corner. Perfect. See? Now also my kitchen looks pretty. Ignore the mess on the side. So I decided that we're gonna make this today because might as well, you know, the full vibe. Brownie's cooking. In the meantime, I'm gonna take a quick little warm, nice little shower. I'm so tired, you guys. My feet and my legs, they feel tired. I really wanted to do the brownies today, you know, because I know we're gonna enjoy it before going to bed. A little treat, mostly for my boyfriend. He loves sweets. But yeah, I need a warm shower, so that's what I'm gonna do, and then deal with the brownie. So yeah.